Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys Shadow Fight duels with my preferred loadouts. So please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment if you like it, and also don't forget to share. Okay guys, let's begin the fight now. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. And that was a perfect victory. Let's get him to one more round. Okay guys, so I know you might be interested in viewing my shadow abilities, so let's begin to see them. This is the first ability I have, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this. Sorry guys, I was not able to show you that, but it just slams into the ground and teleports away. So as you can see, I easily won using my loadout. So this, you can also use this loadout. I will be showing you this in the end of the video. Please be sure to tune into that. As you can see, my win streak is 38 right now. Not bad. Let's get one more round. So guys, as you can see, my preferred loadout was very heavy in that one. Let's see what this guy is able to do against my loadout. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So guys, as you can see, recording is very heavy. These are my control loadouts. You can see this. Round 2. Into fight. So guys, as you can see, my loadout is very brutal for them. Now I will be showing you the loadout after this match. And my win streak is 39 right now. Okay guys, so you are seeing my loadout right now. As my headgear, I am using this wrapped Kui, which has a power of 1433 points, 618 head defense, 645 shadow attack, and a burst shadow ability. It is from Dynasty faction. Now this is my armor. It is called She Devil's Doublet. 1856 power, 658 body defense, 688 unarmed attack. And this is ability is called Shift. It is also Dynasty. And in the weapon I'm not using this claws as I'm not comfortable using these. So instead I'm using this improved pruner, which is a legendary Naginata. Power is 2074, 594 attack, weapon attack, and 2.5 critical damage with dash ability. It is an herald weapon, and in my range I am using this Emperor's Vow epic bow. And you can see these details right here. It has 466 power, 643 ranged attack, 9 seconds reload time, hailstorm ability, and it is dynasty. So guys, as you can see, I am not comfortable using different weapons. I only use dynasty weapons as they suit my playstyle very much, as my playstyle is that of an attacker, so I'm not in a hurry to use that legion and herald attack armors. And according to me, even if I fight unarmed, so I will show you one unarmed fight right now. Even if I am unarmed in the dynasty armor, I can win a fight. You will be seeing that shortly. See guys, so he is stronger than me, as you can see by points, but still I will be able to defeat him, according to me I think. Yes, I will be able to defeat him. Because my armor is very strong, so most of his hits are not doing even a scratch on my armor. Even he has a bow. Very interesting. The dynasty style is more of an agile and attacking style, while the legion are actually unblockables. So it is also an attacking, but you can't do it fast enough. It is a very slow style, so I am not using that. See how quickly I am defeating him, even if I am unarmed. Let me just quickly show you my rewards and then we'll end the video. My streak has reached 40, as you can see. These are my coins and I don't want a bonus card right now. Thank you. I'll be showing you guys my preferred missions also, which I'm doing right now. So these are I'm Not a Child. Survival I have right now is Secret Fights. And this is the story mission right now, Ship of War. And experiment, which I have not purchased, is Neutralize Ada. So guys, thank you for tuning into my video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and also share and comment how you like my loadout, and also share your loadouts with me.